What's going on, everybody? Let's do another hard reset. Today we got a Cloud Mobile C8. It's one of these little budget phones, pretty cool. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or password that you don't know what it is and you gotta do a hard reset, this is how you do it. Just so you guys know, as usual, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So be mindful if you have anything important on the phone, it will get deleted when you do this method. So first thing we gotta do is turn off the phone. So we'll hold the power button and get it turned off. I thought this phone had a removable battery, but apparently it does not. It just has the back cover that way. So there's that. So we got this turned off, and to get into recovery mode on this phone, we want to use the volume up and power key at the same time. So you have your volume buttons right here, power key right there. I'm gonna hold volume up and power at the same time. I usually hold volume up first, and then hold the power. When you hear the phone vibrate or turn on slightly, well, in this case, I just went right to recovery mode, or the recovery selection mode, I should say. From here, you want to use the volume buttons to navigate. Volume up will help you navigate through the selection, and then volume down is your enter for now. So you want to get into recovery. So we just push volume down. And then it loads to your bootloader menu, and to get into the actual reset selection, you have to hold, we have to hit power and volume up at the same time. Usually I'll just hold power and then tap the volume up, and it goes right into it. And we want to scroll all the way down to wipe data factory reset. You scroll with the volume buttons. Your power button is the selection button. So we'll hit the power button now to select, and then it asks us to confirm. So we'll scroll down again and we will confirm. And now you can see it's done wiping. We can either reboot or power off, or we'll hit the enter button to reboot. And it will take us to the home screen. Actually, not the home screen, the first screen, the welcome screen, and then you can navigate to the home screen once it's done. But this is how you do a hard reset on a Cloud Mobile Stratus C8. If you guys have any questions or have a phone that you're having trouble with resetting, feel free to drop a comment and I will try to get that up for you. Otherwise, if you guys could like, share, subscribe, I'd always appreciate it. And until next time.